Want to send a photo on Instagram that disappears forever after the other person sees it? No saving, no replaying, no trace left behind. Don't worry, I'm your tech guide, Genie, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to send a view once photo on Instagram in 2026. If this helps you out, hit that subscribe button. Let's make some tech magic happen. First, let me quickly explain what view once actually means. When you send a photo using the View Once option, the person you sent it to can only open it one time. The moment they close it, it disappears forever. They cannot open it again, they cannot save it. And here's a bonus. If they try to take a screenshot, Instagram will send you a notification to let you know. Now, let me show you how to send one. Open the Instagram app on your Android phone. Now, tap the paper plane icon at the bottom center of your screen. That is the direct messages icon. It looks like a small arrow pointing to the upper right. This will open your direct messages. That is where all your private chats are. Find the person you want to send the photo to and tap on their name to open the chat. Now, look at the bottom left corner of the chat screen. You will see a small blue camera icon. It looks like a circle with a camera symbol inside it. Tap on that camera icon. This will open your camera directly inside Instagram. Now, you have two choices here. If you want to take a fresh photo right now, tap the large white circle button at the bottom of the screen to take your photo. If you want to send a photo you already have on your phone, tap the small image icon in the bottom left corner of the camera screen. That looks like a small picture frame. Tap on it to open your gallery and choose a photo from there. Once your photo is ready, you will see it appear in the chat with some options at the top of the screen. Now, look at the bottom of the screen. You will see a button that controls how many times your photo can be viewed. Depending on what was used last time, this button may currently say unlimited views, view once, or view twice. Whatever it says, tap on it. A menu will slide up from the bottom of the screen showing you three options. You will see view once at the top, view twice in the middle, and unlimited views at the bottom. Tap on View Once. That is the first option at the top of the list. The menu will close, and you will now see the button at the bottom of the screen has changed to show View Once with a small clock icon next to it. That means your photo is now set to disappear after the other person views it one time. Now, tap the Send button on the right side of the screen. It is a purple button with the word Send on it. Your View Once photo has been sent. After you send the photo, look at your side of the chat. You will see your photo appear as a purple button that says Photo with a small clock icon on the left side of it. That means it has been sent and is waiting to be opened. Now, on the other person's side of the chat, they will see a button that says View Photo. They simply tap on it to open your photo. The moment they close it, it is gone forever. On your side of the chat, you will notice the photo button is still there, but it now shows the time it was seen underneath it. For example, it may say, seen 4 minutes ago, or seen 9 hours ago. That is how you know they opened it. And that is the only trace left, just the time it was viewed. The photo itself is completely gone. And just like that, you can now send photos on Instagram that disappear the moment they are seen. Perfect for private moments, surprises, or anything you do not want saved forever. If this video worked magic for you today, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe so you never miss another tech tip. And check out this video right here, where I show you how to hide your WhatsApp chats so nobody even knows they exist. See you in the next one.